customer relationship management?
More like agent replacement machine. Brokers are falling prey to investing in CRMs that replace their agents. With robocalls, autoresponders, and set it and completely forget it methodologies, robots are good for two things: reminding us to do something and when to do it. So quit putting robots where
Agents need to be. MoxiWorks brings the right kinds of automation technology to fill in gaps, empowering agents to save time, grow their business, and reduce stress. Your CRM needs to be the best sidekick for your superhero agents, so they can focus on what they do best, handling the human relationship. With MoxiEngage Dialer and Messenger, agents can focus on their call list without digging for the next phone number. Track activities without the clutter. Agents can schedule blast text messages and manage individual replies, and they can track their touch points all within one place. At MoxiWorks, we know sphere selling works. MoxiEngage is the beloved enterprise real estate CRM that aligns perfectly with sphere-focused sales methods and is built explicitly for real estate by real estate, increasing agent sales volume by 54%. With our dialer and messenger functions, agents can manage and grow their business authentically, humanly, from every angle.